So hello and welcome to this video. Now in this video we are going to build a basic calculator using switch case. Alright. So in my previous video where I showed you how to write a program for building a calculator using if, else if and else statement. So this was the concept of like the multi-way if else statements. So in this video particularly we will be using switch statements to build this calculator. Alright. So let's start it. Now first of all I would write my main method, that is public static void main and inside parenthesis string args, and then I will declare the scanner class with the scanner object as sc equals new scanner system.in. Alright, and then further I will just write these simple prompt message like to enter the first number and the second number. So system.out.print, enter the first number, so int first num equals sc.nextInt, then again system.out.println, enter the second number, int second num equals sc.nextInt, and we'll be also taking the input of the operator. So system.out.print, so it will be system.out.print, enter the operator. So we'll be taking the input of like the operator input as a character, so character char, that is char, or you can say anything like that, character operator is equals sc.next.caret 0. Alright, so the caret 0, like the caret is used for taking the input as a character value. So if I would hover my arrow upon the caret, so it will be showing this like the small piece of documentation which is in written that the returns the character value at the specified index. So it is used for taking the input as a character. Alright, so now we'll be using the switch statement for carrying out the computations. So switch operator, so like the expression is like in between this regular brackets I will be like giving the expression as operator. Alright, so I will be creating a block over here, sorry for the mistake, and I would say case when we will be giving the input as a plus symbol, we can say the plus character. So it will be let me just declare a variable before, like int result. Alright, now I would say that result equals first num plus second num. Alright, then I would system.out.println result equals result, and then further I will be using the second case with the minus symbol. So result equals first num minus second num, so system.out.println result equals result, and we then I'm using the concept of string concatenation over here. So I am just concatenating this variable with this result variable with this string. All right, so it is like quite simple. So case, the third case is when we'll be carrying out the multiplication operation. So result will be the product of the two numbers, so first num multiplied by the second num, and it will be printed out as result equals result. And case if we will, the case 4 will be like if we are carrying out the division operator. So this will be the character, like this result equals first num divided by second num, and I would say system.out.println result equals result. Alright, and the last operator is known as the modulo operator, which returns the remainder. So after the division, the what will be the whatever may be the remainder, it will be printed out to my console if I would use the modulo operator. So modulo is represented by the percentage sign, so percentage symbol, you can say. Result equals first num modulo second num, all right, and it will be printed to my console as result. Result in a string, result equals string concatenation plus result. So if neither of the case is satisfied, like I would say, if neither of the cases are satisfied, so I would be the default keyword, like using the default keyword. So default case will be printed to my console saying that you have entered an invalid operator, all right. So you have entered an invalid operator. So like if neither of the cases, like the addition case and subtraction, multiplication, division and the modulo cases are not satisfied, so it will return the default case that is saying that you have entered an invalid operator, all right. So this is how we can build the same calculator that we built using the if and else if statements. So we can also use the switch statement. So this is the way how to build a calculator using the switch expression. So let me run this program by pressing Ctrl Shift and F10. So let us have a look at my console. So this is my console. It is prompting me to enter the first number. So I would say 45. The second number is I would say 32, and the operation I want to carry is the addition operation. So okay, I think there is a mistake over here. All right, so it's saying that the mistake is I didn't use a break statement over here, so I should be using this break statement. I'm sorry. If I would not be using this break statement, this program will be continue executing to my console. As you can see over here, the output is like we are getting the output for subtraction, multiplication, division and the modulo operator. Because I didn't use the break statement, so it's giving me all the result of the operations, all right. So I would be using a break statement over here. Everywhere break, if the condition is satisfied, so break the case, break. What happened over here? There's an indentation error, I'm sorry. So break, and finally I would say break over here. Now if I would run my program over here, all right, so you can see if I would enter the operator, enter the number, first number is 45, so let me just enlarge it. Enter the first number 45, enter the second number 32, and I want to carry the addition operation, all right. So I will be choosing the operator as my plus symbol, so plus, that means the result is equal 77. So what happens over here, a match is found with my this symbol. So this plus symbol is used for carrying out the addition operation, all right. So the minus symbol is responsible for carrying out the subtraction operation. But I am using this break statement over here. That means if this case is satisfied, then no further execution of the program, like the Java compiler will not check this cases over here, like the case for subtraction, multiplication and division. So if one of the case is satisfied, then the Java compiler will not be checking other cases in that program, all right. So this is how we can build a calculator using switch case also. So this was all for this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.